Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cami and as you can see we have a little bit of yarn situation going on my desk. There wasn't an upload yesterday, I'm sorry about that, but we should be back with Vlogmas. So I did not do nothing while I was not recording. I did make this beanie yesterday and I did add a few rows to this checkered tote bag, and I definitely don't have enough yarn to make it the size that I wish to make it, so I'll just forget about it for now, unfortunately, and I decided I'll try to probably order more yarn to make it as big as I would love it to be. So that goes here for now. That's all I have left when it comes to the yarn from the beanie, and as you can see, I've been experimenting a little bit with the lily top, which is a pattern from Passion Kelsey, and the pattern is calling for a 5mm hook, which I have over here, but I got a lot of very thin cotton yarns like these ones. This is Cotton Stone, and I also have this Yarn Art Ideal Crazy, which both of them are, I think, about a 2 weight. They're very thin and I can just double strand them and it's fine, and that's actually what I did. I started working on one cap over here, but I was just really hoping I could just single strand it with a smaller hook. So I did some math and I figured out my gauge was like similar enough if I just added 5 more chains to the base chain of the pattern. Like if you've seen the pattern you know what I'm saying, but I really didn't like the way it looked. So I'm doing something here with this colorful yarn. I'm pairing it with this very powdery light pink. So that is the next top I'm going to make, and I started a size medium lily top, but maybe it will evolve into a raffle top because I think it would make very nice a raffle top, but we would be playing a bit of a yarn chicken, which seems to be the theme in my vlogs. So I'll just crochet this as much as I can, or as much as I feel like, and we'll see what we'll do next. Okay, so few things happened. It's the next day. So I did finish this top and it turned out very nice. I did think about single stranding for the ruffles, but I'm glad I didn't. But that also means the ruffles are a little bit shorter than I would like them to be, but I think that's okay. I tried it on. It's perfect. I love it so much. And yeah. So that took a lot of time, and after that, actually just now I finished crocheting this panel that will eventually become a beanie. I started this knowing I might not have enough yarn because I didn't have a full skein, but that's fine because I will inevitably get more of this yarn. So it's just going to sit and wait for whenever I will order it. I mean the yarn for it. I'm like 5 rows short on this one, so it's not that bad really. And what I thought about doing now is I have this very nice yarn laying around, and it's one of those yarns that are so nice I don't want to mess them up, so I was keeping them for a nice project, and I think I figured out what I'm gonna do. So I don't know if in a previous vlog, because it's been some time, or a few vlogs ago, I made these granny square gloves, fingerless gloves, so I figured why not just make a few pairs with these 2 yarns. I think it will go very well together. So that's the plan for today. I just finished the first square. I am using a 3.5mm and I think it turned out so cute. I am going to leave it like this, and then I'm going to use the join as you go method in the lighter color. Yeah, I think it looks very nice. So I guess I'll just make a bunch of these squares more. And by the way, those are the yarns that I'm using if you're interested. I thrifted all of this, so no idea where you can get them, but they're very nice. Pretty sure it's 100% wool. I guess I could check. Yeah, it's wool. Indeed, it is wool. So I just finished one of the gloves, or mitts, whatever you want to call it, and I didn't record a lot. Yeah, I am not really doing very well with the whole Vlogmas thing anymore, but hopefully we'll get back on track. But meanwhile, I am almost happy with it. Like, I love the colors, I love the way it looks, I love the way it feels because it's a very soft merino wool, but it's a little, you see the problem, you see the crease. It doesn't fit exactly the way I wish it did. I think the granny square just needs to be 1 row smaller. So I am going to try to make another one and hopefully talk through the process a little bit more. But it's honestly very simple. I just added this simple ribbing on the top and on the bottom, as well as few rows of granny stitch, and then I just single crocheted around the thumb hole, and as you can see I did not weave my ends in, of course.